Hi, I'm Allison. I provide tailored solutions to streamline your business, enhance productivity, and help you achieve work-life balance. In this video, I'm introducing one of my one-time services and showcasing examples of it, using the 4 fictitious businesses, which were created for demonstration purposes. I created the one-time services with one goal in mind: to provide an efficient, easy-to-implement solution for anyone looking to start or expand their business. Now, let's dive deeper into the one-time services examples using the 4 fictitious businesses. Now that you have seen the one-time service examples, are you wondering how we can work together? So are you ready to work together? Just schedule your free discovery call today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.